Welcome to the Arunachal Informer. We are reporting straight from Rajiv Gandhi University, wherein we have also participated in a session wherein the Department of Law has initiated a very prolific program which concerns on new law which has the government yet to be implemented. Dr. Topi Basar, who is the head of the Department Law, and we are joined by who is the head of the Department Law, and we are joined by Manoj sir, who is an assistant professor, faculty of law. Thank you so much for joining us. Initiated a program. You were the convener of this program. Could you please tell us the main objective of this program?
First of all, I would like to thank Arunachal Informer for covering this event and at a very short notice. The objective of organizing this awareness program is to sensitize the masses about the implementation of the new criminal laws that is going to take place from the 1st of July 2024. This new set of criminal laws are going to replace our old Indian Penal Code, Indian Evidence Act, and CRPC, Criminal Procedure Code. So it's a basically this is an initiative guided by the central government, as we got the direction from the Ministry of Education to conduct these awareness program. So this university has assigned this tasks to our department. So the main objective is to engage and involve as many stakeholders as possible, uh, student communities and lawyers and public. So we in this light we have a program lined up. This is the first program that we are having because our university, it's a exam time in our university, so most of the students are busy with their exam. So this is just a small scale program we are having at a very short notice, and we are planning to have some seminars and some more symposiums when the university opens after the summer holidays. So, but today we have had very good participation from students from ALA, Arunachal Law Academy, students from Jarbon Lamlin Law College, and students from other departments of this university also took part, and many interested teachers and professors also attended the program. So the main objective is to prepare ourselves with the new law. I mean, to understand the law, to internalize it, because the faster we understand it, better it is for us, because criminal law is the most important branch of law for all of us, one of the most important, and it's so significant to society at large. So therefore, the government is encouraging these kind of sensitization program at all levels, at all institutional levels, police department and various government institutions, colleges, universities, because in order to understand any new system, such kind of workshops and awareness program is a must. So we are preparing ourselves for the future, and to because if there is no awareness, then uh, the understanding of law also becomes difficult. We may we because we are also one of the stakeholders in the legal system. People are one of the biggest stakeholders, and we have to be part of the new changes, new process. So therefore, one of the main objective was definitely to sensitize the students community, and to make them aware. Uh, Mainly, our target had been mainly the law professionals and the law students, but I'm very happy to share that we got expression of interest from many other, you know, departments and students also from different disciplines. So this itself shows the today's response program, 80, to be precise, 80 participants were there. So itself shows that people are so much keen to learn about law, and law has taken a central stage in people's lives, and people now recognize the significance and importance of law. So therefore, I think this initiative, this journey will continue because this is just the beginning, and we are also planning to involve institutional stakeholders also in our future programs like police department and governmental institutions, public servants, civil servants. So we will have a larger stakeholders, larger, bigger, circle of um, participants in our next program.
And professors in the university play a pivotal role in policy making. Their ideas, their concepts are always prioritized in the government sector also. So you being a professor of this prestigious university, what would be your take on this newly, new, soon to be new law of our India, BNS?
Of course, this implementation will also require proactiveness on the part of the state government also, because the new changes that this law is bringing also uh, is going to require a lot of, say, policy matter changes, like for example, like infrastructure, regarding infrastructure, because according to the new criminal procedural law, uh, everything, like evidence is to be taken on audiovisual mode. Police has to record the evidence on audiovisual mode, and a statement has to be recorded in audiovisual mode. So this is going to require a lot of, like, infrastructural development on the part of the government, and the government will have to come out with some good policies in order to effectively implement the objective of this act, because act is at one place, and since this also falls on concurrent subject matter, so here the government also, state also has a legislative competence to implement the law at the local or the regional level in a suitable manner, in a suitable way. So that would require some new policies that should come from the government.
Will there be any initiative from your department in the context of Arunachal Pradesh actually? Will your department be initiating to provide awareness to the public if situation demands?
Yes, as I said, we have series of program lined up, and we our stakeholders are very large, and these programs will be open to all. And today's program was also open to all. So we welcome all the stakeholders, all the members of the public, whoever wants to gain some awareness about this new laws, criminal laws, they are most welcome. And this initiative will continue on our part.
It is related to the current issues. Every one of us have already witnessed, very cognizable cases according to the legal term, wherein minors were, put to run brothel and they were physically assaulted, and many police officers, even officers of different departments, were engaged in such brothel running case. So, what would you comment on that?
It's a very unfortunate incident, and I consider it as a very depraved state of the society that we are heading to. And these crimes against children is considered a priority under the new law, and it has always been in our criminal law system. Crimes against children has always been given a very serious, uh, it's considered very serious, and I'm sure that the law enforcement mechanisms will take a very strict actions against the culprits involved in this unfortunate incident. And some new law has also been included, which particularly deal with this particular situation. And I think this particular act, depraved act, is already violating many provisions of POCSO Act and as well as the new Nyaya Sanhita.
You have eloquently delivered your lecture on new BNS. So my question would be, what are the new things that you found in this BNS and what are more welcoming that you would be welcoming such new laws?
In this new Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, some important changes have been made. Like, first important change is with respect to reorganization of sections. In earlier code, that is Indian Penal Code, there were as many as 511 sections. But in new code, some sections have been clubbed together and it has been made more precise. In addition to that, some new offenses have been added in the BNS, like organized crime, petty organized crime, snatching, etc. At the same time, some crimes have been deleted from it in view of the recent changes made through Supreme Court judgments, like the provisions related to unnatural offences which were contained in Section 7, has not found any place in this section. Further, the provisions related to adultery also has been done away with in this new Sanhita. Like that, many changes have been made in this Sanhita.